Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Comerica Bank mobile app, secure access step by step clearly. Open the Comerica Bank mobile app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, visit your app store and install it. Once the app is open, you will see the login screen. Enter your username in the designated field. Ensure that you type your username accurately. Next, tap on the password field. Enter your password carefully. Take a moment to double-check your password for any mistakes. If you want to save your login details for future access, enable the Remember Me option. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button. Wait for the app to authenticate your information. If your login is successful, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of any issues, a message will guide you on how to resolve them. If you forget your username or password, select the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once logged in, be vigilant about your account security. Ensure you log out after each session, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.